The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the biggest rainforest on Earth.
It has an area of 7 million kilometers and it's spread over 9 countries. Brazil,
Peru,
Colombia,
Venezuela,
Bolivia,
Guyana,
Suriname,
Ecuador.
and French Guiana.
More than half of the rainforests on Earth are in the Amazonas.
More than 20% of Earth's oxygen is produced in the Amazon rainforest. That is why people name it the lungs of the planet.
The population is about 10 million species.
70% of plants having anti-cancer properties are found only in the Amazon rainforest. 100% rainfall, 50% of rainfall gets sucked by trees, 25% of rainfall runs off, and 25% of rainfall is evaporating.
The Amazon has 2 seasons, rainy and dry.
The rainy season is from December to June with temperatures such like 30 degrees Celsius.
The dry season is from July to November, and it is about 40 degrees Celsius.